Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore. In the heart of the wilderness, the 4-in-1 Woodsman by Zippo Outdoor stands as an indispensable companion. This versatile tool offers a multitude of functions, ensuring you're always prepared for any challenge. With its exceptional strength, 4-in-1 Woodsman effortlessly drives stakes into the hardest ground and provides the leverage needed to pull them out with ease. But that's not all. This incredible tool transforms into a bow saw, complete with a cam blade tensioner and a comfortable, non-slip hand grip. For creating dried tinder to ignite your campfires, the 4-in-1 Woodsman includes a sheet that doubles as a saw handle, securely connected to the axe blade with a set screw. The 5-inch full-tang axe head, high-performance engineered polymer handle wrapped around a full metal shaft, and 15-inch metal saw blade stored inside the handle make this tool a true powerhouse. The 4-in-1 Woodsman doesn't stop there. It also features a 10-inch stake puller and stake driver, ensuring you have everything you need for your outdoor adventures. Leave behind the clutter of multiple tools and rely on the 4-in-1 Woodsman as your all-in-one survival solution. This versatile tool is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast. If you're in the market for a high-quality flashlight with a slim profile and excellent performance, the Thrunite Archer AV3 is a fantastic option to consider. This upgraded version of the popular Archer AV2 is well suited for a variety of everyday tasks and is incredibly easy to use. The Archer AV3 is a compact flashlight measuring 155mm in length and 22mm in diameter. It features a double helix knurling for improved grip and weighs only 3.5 ounces. The removable pocket clip allows for secure storage. Constructed from a single piece of T6061T6 aluminum with a premium Type 3 hard anodized finish, the Archer AV3 is available in 2 colors, metal gray and black. The tactical style bezel with short teeth allows for some light to pass through when stood up on the bezel. Equipped with the latest Cree XPL2 LED, the Archer AV3 offers a maximum output of 500 lumens and a throw distance of 93 meters in high mode. It also features a step-down mode to prevent overheating. The medium mode provides 70 lumens with a runtime of 11 hours, while the low mode offers 17 lumens with a remarkable 51-hour runtime. The 0.2 lumen Firefly mode can run for an impressive 15 days. The Archer AV3 is IPX8 waterproof and impact resistant, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. It is powered by 2 AA batteries and features a dual-button interface for easy operation. With its compact size, affordable price, and excellent performance, the Thrunite Archer AV3 is a reliable flashlight that won't disappoint. Whether you need a light for everyday tasks or outdoor adventures, this flashlight is a great choice. For any angler, having a reliable and organized way to transport fishing gear is essential for a successful day on the water. Introducing the KastKing Karryall Fishing Tackle Backpack. Constructed from tough, high-density Oxford 600D fabric, with a water-resistant PVC coating, this backpack ensures exceptional durability and keeps your belongings dry. With 14 multifunctional storage pockets including rod holders, sunglasses storage, and a hidden zippered beverage pocket, you can efficiently organize and carry all your fishing essentials. The adjustable main compartment with a foldable, padded partition allows for flexible storage options, accommodating clothing, snacks, and 4 3600 casing tackle boxes. The cushioned back support and foam-padded shoulder straps provide superior comfort during long fishing excursions, while reflective stripes enhance visibility at night. Perfect for fishing and other outdoor activities like hiking and camping. This tackled backpack is a must-have for any angler looking to stay organized and prepared on the water. Looking for a portable and efficient stove for your outdoor cooking adventures? Look no further than the Ironclad Supply Rocket Stove. Its compact design makes it easy to pack and transport, whether you're camping, tailgating, or picnicking. Despite its small size, the rocket stove packs a powerful punch, ensuring quick and efficient meal preparation. Its efficient burn minimizes fuel consumption, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. Built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, Rocket Stove is durable and long-lasting. Whether you're cooking for yourself or a group, this stove is a valuable addition to your outdoor cooking setup. Secure yours today and experience the convenience and efficiency. Ironclad Supply Rocket Stove. At just $129, this eco-friendly investment will elevate your outdoor culinary escapades. Introducing the ultimate folding saw for camping, survival, bushcraft, landscaping, and general yard work. With its durable SK5 steel blade, this heavy-duty tool powers through thick branches with ease. The 11-inch blade is ideal for cutting branches up to 6 to 7 inches in diameter, making it perfect for outdoor tasks and even light construction projects. The aggressive staggered teeth, 7 TPI, provide ultra-smooth and sharp sawing, ensuring efficient and precise cuts. The comfortable, rubber-coated polymer handle offers a firm grip in any weather condition, ensuring maximum control. The extra-long design of this folding saw makes it a versatile tool for a variety of applications. Whether you're clearing brush, trimming branches, or preparing firewood, this saw has you covered. In the face of nature's unpredictable fury, having a reliable emergency preparedness tool is paramount. The running Snail emergency crank weather radio is your versatile lifeline, designed to keep you and your loved ones safe during any disaster. Boasting the cutting-edge MD09P design, this powerful radio features a robust 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery capable of charging multiple smartphones. Its super bright 3-mode flashlight and motion sensor reading lamp provide added convenience, while the 7 NOAA channels ensure you're always up to date on weather forecasts. With 4 charging modes, solar, hand crank, micro USB, and rechargeable batteries, the running Snail guarantees continuous power even in the most challenging conditions. Upgraded features like the electricity label and motion sensor reading lamp enhance usability and functionality, making it an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations alike. Designed for the expeditionary hunter, the Gerber Exo-Mod hunting knife series offers compactness, stackability, and lightweight design. The series includes the Exo-Mod Keeper, Exo-Mod Drop Point, and Exo-Mod Saw, allowing hunters to assemble the kit that best suits their needs. Featuring full-tang construction and skeletonized handles, these knives provide added strength and durability for field processing. Each knife boasts an ergonomic grip and control choil used then, ensuring secure handling in any conditions. The series offers a caper for fine work, a drop point for general use, and a saw for optimal cutting. The innovative sheath functions independently or snaps together for various carrying options. Available in blaze orange or discreet black, Exo-Mod series is backed by the Gerber guarantee, promising reliability and performance for hunters in any environment. Outlery's flatware set is the perfect pocket-sized solution for your travels. At just 3.2 by 2.5 inches, it's ideal for backpacking, day trips, and everything in between. When assembled, it extends to a full-length 8.3 inches, providing the convenience of regular silverware without the bulk. Say goodbye to carrying clunky cutlery or relying on single-use plastic. Outlery's reusable set is made from durable stainless steel, designed for countless adventures. Cleaning is a breeze. Wipe it down on the go or toss it in the dishwasher when you're back home. Outlery's commitment to eco-friendly design means you're not just choosing convenience, but also making a positive impact on the environment. By opting for their products, you're reducing single-use plastic waste and avoiding unsustainable alternatives. With Outlery, you can enjoy your meals on the go while keeping the planet in mind. Calling all adventurers and outdoor cooking enthusiasts, the Ironclad Supply Rocket Stove is your ticket to effortless meals in the wild. Compact and feather light, it's the perfect sidekick for camping, tailgates, or picnic. Don't let its size fool you. This powerhouse boasts a fierce burn for rapid cooking, while its efficiency saves fuel and your wallet. Built tough for the outdoors, its durability guarantees years of delicious adventures. Whether you're solo or feeding a crowd, the Ironclad Supply Rocket Stove elevates your outdoor cooking game. Grab yours today for just $129 and experience the joy of gourmet meals amidst nature. Embrace the convenience and efficiency of eco-friendly cooking. Introducing the Hanging Travel Toiletry Bag plus 3-to-1 TSA Cosmetic Liquid Set. Customizable travel solution. This versatile 3-piece set is designed to adapt to all your travel needs, whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or an extended adventure. The Hanging Toiletry Bag includes a built-in 3-1-1 TSA liquid bag, perfect for quick trips. Its detachable, clear plastic compartments keep everything organized, while mesh pockets expand to accommodate all your essentials. The TSA-approved 3-1-1 liquids bag offers convenience and compliance during airport security checks and doubles as a shower tote. The set also includes an accessory organizer pouch, ideal for makeup or electronic accessories. Made with premium materials like YKK zippers and a soft 70D nylon poly blend, this set is both durable and lightweight, making it the perfect travel companion for any journey. This is more than just a tent. It's the pinnacle of premium backcountry shelters. Designed for the lightest possible 3 to 4 season hiking experience, the Kunai offers mountaineering-grade stability and a versatile tent body that can adapt to warmer climates. Premium 15D nylon tear-resistant fabric, reinforced with silicone, is extremely durable and provides the most reliable weather protection. The 30D nylon tear-resistant floor with single-seam construction adds extra protection, extends the life of the tent. We've redesigned the vestibule for more space and better storage, while the tapered tear-resistant fabric can withstand wind, rain, or snow. Inside, ultra-durable multi-layer polyester reinforces the seams of the canopy for ultimate safety in extreme conditions. The cleverly designed frame with a sturdy crossbar gives 2 campers incredible headroom. Color-coded crossbar system makes setup intuitive and lightning fast. Premium DAC Featherlight aluminum bars provide durability and ultra-lightweight stability. The legendary versatility of the Kunai shines through the convertible, breathable ripstop nylon interior canopy, dual-layer mesh windows and doors, a large internal gear rack, multiple storage pockets, and 2 strut-supported vents add comfort and convenience. Catapult carabiners connect the intersecting bars, evenly distributing tension in high winds and enhancing safety and longevity. Light pockets turn your headlamp into a tent lantern, and the bright orange coating, reflective straps, and guides ensure visibility even at night. If your adventure calls for the most technical and lightweight backpack shelter, then the Kunai is your ultimate travel companion.